new development tonight in the ongoing battle over how State Farm handles roof claims in Oklahoma. An Oklahoma City couple is now suing the state's insurance commissioner.
They want a judge to force the release of a report from a 2-year investigation into State Farm's handling of those claims, a report they say is overdue. Fox 25's Emma McAndrews joins us live from Oklahoma City. Emma, why is this couple fighting to make the report public?
Wendy, Rob, the couple's attorney says that this report should be public and says that they don't know why it hasn't been posted yet. Now, the insurance commissioner said back in 2025 that it would be released in the first quarter of this year. However, that deadline has come and gone. Back in December of 2025, Oklahoma Insurance Commissioner Glenn Mulready put out his press release saying his office had been involved in an ongoing investigation into State Farm and its handling of roof claims, saying, quote, "We expect to have this investigation concluded in the first quarter of 2026. We are fully committed to transparency." This comes after hundreds of lawsuits from State Farm policyholders alleging that State Farm denied or underpaid their roof claims. Now an Oklahoma City couple is suing Commissioner Mulready for his department's delay in the release and is asking a court to force the commissioner to release the report.
And he said that he was going to produce a public report by the end of the first quarter of 2026. That has not happened. People have called for it to be released. There have been FOIA requests, open record requests. He has still not produced it.
Craig and Elizabeth Gutierrez are just one of the families suing the insurer after their home was hit by hail back in September of 2024, and State Farm denied their claim. Attorney Lauren Guhl, representing the couple in the lawsuit against the commissioner, says it doesn't add up.
I don't understand why it hasn't been released. The public deserves to see what this report and what the investigation has revealed. I honestly have no idea why he wouldn't.
She says the couple felt like this was their only next option.
They want to see what this report reveals. They want to see what State Farm was doing. And they felt like this was the only avenue that they had. Since it's been called for to be released and he's not doing it, they want to see what the insurance commissioner has found, and they want this report to be public.
I reached out to the Oklahoma Insurance Department asking about this new lawsuit. Commissioner Mulready is calling the lawsuit frivolous, saying it reflects either a fundamental misunderstanding of Oklahoma insurance law and the market conduct examination process, or a deliberate attempt to misuse the courts to pressure a state regulatory agency into producing an unfinished examination. Mulready says the insurance department will not be bullied by trial lawyers, political actors, or anyone else into cutting corners simply because the regulatory process does not fit their preferred litigation or political timeline. He argues this lawsuit will lead to unnecessary litigation that will cost Oklahomans time and resources. Now, this couple isn't the first to push Mulready to release the report. The Attorney General back in July called for the investigation to be released as well. Now, I asked Guhl, since this is the first legal action being taken against the commissioner in something like this, if more could come in the future, and she says it's entirely possible. Reporting live in OKC, Emma McAndrews, Fox 25 News.